it's your girl Paula Marie, aka the EbonyBizDiva, and this is your 2-Minute Tuesday tip. So today we are going to talk about ThriveCart. I love me some ThriveCart, honey, because let me tell you something. They caught my attention when they said they had the promotion of the one-time lifetime membership. That's right, you heard me. You pay one fee. That's it, baby. One fee for the lifetime of using that app. And they give you so much, right? So I was looking for a cart that had a countdown because we need the sense of urgency, right? And then I also wanted the ability to provide upsells, right? But also downsells and also a little bump, right? Which means that I can create an offer to sell up and add on to the cart. Or if it's not their jam, I can downsell them to something a little lower. And then when I get them, I can get them to bump something a little bit more. Like, that's how you generate more revenue while you got their attention at your checkout cart, okay? And ThriveCart delivers that. It's so easy, it's so seamless. Now, the other thing I like about ThriveCart is that they allow subscriptions. And I was working on a subscription program for my group coaching membership for Pinterest. So I was looking for something that was affordable, that wouldn't break the bank. I still didn't know how many members I was going to get. Yeah, you know that jam, right? And so just the option of paying you one fee and that's it. And then I don't have to worry about that thing for the rest of my life. I was sold on that, right? I was sold on it. And then the great part is that they also have the ability for you to add affiliates. So you can actually entice others to promote your products and your services and give them an affiliate link to pay them directly. Now, another thing I like is that it integrated really well with my email system. They have a lot of different apps and programs that they integrate with. And so it's a win-win for me. One time, done. Now, the original price is $19.95, but for you, honey bunches of oats, it's only $4.95. That's it, $4.95. You're done. You get all of this capability and no more bugging you about monthly bills. So hey, check the link, okay, and test it out for yourself. I enjoy ThriveCart as an entrepreneur, and it's definitely helped me a lot. So hopefully it helps you as well. That's it. It's your girl Paula Marie, aka the EbonyBizDiva, and this was your 2-Minute Tuesday tip.